Good evening, friends. This is a quick video on how you shoot a video using your cell phone. Now, a cell phone, everyone has it, but not everyone can use it properly. So we want to receive your videos that are properly framed, good quality video that you also be proud of. So how do you achieve that? Okay, there's 5 things that we need to consider. The first one is framing. So when you set up your camera or your phone, make sure that whatever you're shooting, or if you're shooting yourself using your front camera, make sure that you're in the center. And when you're in the middle of the frame, so this whole box there, you're in the middle, and then your head, there's a little space left that it's not cutting your head. So that space, you want to see that space. It should not be a big space. Don't be in the middle of the frame, but at least moving up the middle, and then we can see your head, your neck, and down to almost the bottom of your shirt. The pocket on your shirt. Yeah, that's how far you can take it. And the secondly, stability. If you're shooting using your hand, obviously there's going to be a lot of movement, with your hand. Let's say you're singing and you're hitting a high note, then already your camera is shaking. We don't see you anymore. We want to eliminate that. Using a tripod will help you do that. So if you have a tripod and with a selfie stick bracket, that will help you. But if you don't have a tripod but you have a selfie stick, then you take that selfie stick, you tie it down on the chair, upright on the chair, and then make sure your camera is on landscape mode, not portrait mode. So this is your landscape, and then this is your portrait mode. Never shoot a video with a portrait mode. Always shoot your video on a landscape mode. What about lighting? That's the third thing. When you shoot your video, make sure that you are facing the light. Never the light must be behind you, because if there's light behind you, what the camera will see is the light, not you. So it will darken you and then try to blow up the light and see what is happening outside. Most of us have headphones. So use your headphones when you record. So plug your headphones in, and these headphones lately, or most headphones, cell phone headphones, have a mic on it. So you plug in your headphone there, your mic is there. So you just continue singing or doing your item or talking, whatever thing that you are recording onto your phone. So audio will go into your mic, into your phone. And while you're doing that, make sure the surrounding does not have noise. So step away from people, step away from kids, because kids cannot control themselves. So they'll be laughing, screaming, or just being irritated there, and then the phone will pick it up. So we don't want that. Move away, go away, it's silent. Use the headphones, your sound will be crisp. Now the last point is set. The setting that you're sitting on. So if you're sitting in an office, it's great. It's got an office looking vibe. You can shoot there. But make sure that there's no movement behind you. If there's people moving up and about, then we end up looking at the people and not you. So no people moving behind you. And if you're at home and there's no place where you can shoot the video, don't stand close to the wall. Move away from the wall, because what these cameras will do is it will focus on your face and blur out everything that's behind you. So if you are over a meter away from the wall, then the chances of us being distracted by what is behind you will be lessened. Otherwise, a plain wall will do. Stand behind the plain wall. Remember your lighting, but don't lean on the wall, because if you have lighting on your face, then you have shadows behind you. So a little bit of a distance away from the wall. You have your light, you have your phone, and you sort it. Your videos will be beautiful.